Struggling to keep your arms strong and toned from the comfort of your home? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Kotfter Twister Arm Trainer. The Kotfter Twister Arm Trainer caught my eye right away at just $23.12. Its bright blue design promises not only style but functionality, and if you want an effective tool for building upper body strength, this is worth a serious look. This trainer is an all-in-one solution for your arms and chest. It features adjustable resistance from 20 to 60 pounds, making it suitable for various fitness levels. The lightweight carbon steel construction means it's durable yet easy to handle, perfect for home workouts. With over 5,000 units sold this past month, it's clearly appealing to many. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're just starting or looking to intensify your workout, the adjustable resistance allows you to tailor the intensity to your needs. This versatility helps you avoid plateauing as you progress. Plus, the ergonomic foam handles provide comfort during intense sessions, so you can focus on your workout rather than your grip slipping. Now, some people complain that it feels a bit flimsy at times. Here's the thing though, it's designed for home use and is best for those looking for a portable option rather than a gym-grade machine. If you're in a small space or need something easy to store, it's still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, compact arm trainer that won't take up much space. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty equipment meant for serious lifting. At this price point, it's a great value for those just starting their fitness journey. Now, if the Kotfter's weight limit seems low for you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, RENRUI Twister Arm Trainer. The RENRUI Twister Arm Trainer, priced at $36.62, impressed me with its 5 resistance levels ranging from 40 to 130 pounds. If you want a versatile trainer that grows with you, this one is worth exploring. This product is all about precision and comfort. This matters because a comfortable grip allows for longer, more effective workouts without the distraction of discomfort. Plus, its military-grade durability means it can withstand the toughest workouts, making it a reliable addition to your routine. As for user feedback, some mention that it can take time to get used to the resistance adjustment. I'll be real with you, this could be a hassle for those just getting started. But once you get the hang of it, it provides an exceptional range of workouts for your upper body. This is perfect for you if you're serious about strength training and need something that can adapt as you progress. Skip this if you prefer a simple, no-frills approach, as it might feel overwhelming initially. For the features it offers, it's a solid investment for your home gym. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for reaching various muscle groups. Product number 3, Oscillating Slim Ultimate Twister. Next up is the Oscillating Slim Ultimate Twister Arm Trainer, priced at $41.12. This caught my attention for its promise of a full upper body workout. If that's what you're after, keep listening. This trainer includes a unique U-shaped spring bar that targets multiple muscle groups, from arms to abs and even thighs. With 3 resistance levels, it caters to everyone from beginners to advanced athletes. This is particularly appealing for those who want one piece of equipment that can do it all without taking up too much space. However, some users reported that it can feel bulky when you first use it. Here's the thing though, this initial adjustment is typical with multi-purpose equipment, and once you get used to it, the benefits far outweigh the awkwardness. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your home gym. Skip this one if you're only focused on traditional arm workouts, as it might feel like overkill for those simpler needs. Given its versatility, it's priced quite competitively. Now, if you're looking for something with even more options for body workouts, wait till you hear about the next one. Product number 4, WAKISA 3-in-1 Hydraulic Trainer. Coming in at $51.40, the WAKISA 3-in-1 Hydraulic Trainer is more than just an arm trainer, it's a full-body workout machine. If variety is what you crave, this one stands out. What makes this trainer unique is its adjustable hydraulic resistance, ranging from 22 to 440 pounds. Plus, it features an adjustable arm length to fit all body types, which is fantastic for family use or shared spaces. The quality construction ensures stability even during intense sessions, giving you peace of mind. However, a few users expressed concerns about the noise when adjusting resistance. While I get that this might be annoying, it's a small price to pay for the flexibility and range of exercises this machine offers. This is perfect for fitness enthusiasts looking for a comprehensive solution that can adapt to all levels. Skip this if you prefer a straightforward arm trainer without added features. It's a great investment for anyone serious about their fitness journey. Finally, if you're looking for something more portable, check out the last product on our list, which takes a different approach. Product number 5, RYGEO Mini Exercise Bike. Last but not least, we have the RYGEO Mini Exercise Bike at $37.26. This is a unique option designed for low-intensity arm and leg exercises, perfect for those recovering from injuries or just looking for a gentle workout. This mini bike is super portable and can be used at home or even under your desk while working. It features 5 adjustable resistance levels, making it suitable for everyone, whether you're easing back into fitness or maintaining your current level. Its lightweight design means you can easily store it away when not in use. Now, some users found that it doesn't provide a super intense workout. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for recovery or light exercise, this is actually a perfect fit. It allows you to stay active without pushing your limits too hard. This is perfect for you if you want a convenient option that can fit into your daily life seamlessly. Skip this if you're after a heavy-duty workout machine, as it's not meant for intense training. For its intended purpose, it's a fantastic value. Now, let's wrap things up with a quick comparison of these amazing products. So to wrap it up, we covered 5 great arm exercisers. Kotfter Twister Arm Trainer, RENRUI Twister Arm Trainer, Oscillating Slim Ultimate Twister, WAKISA 3-in-1 Hydraulic Trainer, and RYGEO Mini Exercise Bike. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the WAKISA 3-in-1 because it offers incredible versatility for both beginners and advanced users. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.